Soybeans and cattle to the plus side on Tuesday with corn a little bit weaker. Oliver Slope is joining us with analysis. Okay, the corn market, I don't know, are we consolidating? Have we run into a little chart resistance here and taken a bit of a pause?
A little bit of chart resistance, and that's turned into a little bit of choppy trade here to start the week after really a very constructive prior 2 weeks coming off that bearish WASDE report where we marked a low and then we're able to rally on the back of bearish news. So when you're looking at it from that perspective, we look at that as a fundamental rejection. I don't think the market really believed that we're trading a 188.8. And I don't think the market believes that we're trading a 181 either. So I think we're probably somewhere in the middle, which happened to be where Pro Farmer comes in at. And I think they kind of brought the bar back down to reality a little bit. As far as resistance goes, we got up near that 50-day moving average yesterday. That comes in at 417. We pulled back here. Now we're looking at a kind of a pivot pocket area from 406 to 410. That was previously important price points going back to July and the 20-day moving average.
So a little sideways here until what? We get some more combine data. Is that what the market is waiting for?
I think a lot of it going forward is going to be that harvest data. Maybe we can carve out a harvest low. I think for now we're kind of in a holding pattern, waiting and seeing. And I think that could provide some good shorter opportunities for traders and participants on both sides of the market.
Soybeans also had about an 80-cent run off the lows. Is that market also in a holding pattern?
Yeah, we had a nice run to the upside. Now we're kind of loitering near the upper end of last week's low, which is near the 1040 area. Break and close below there. Potentially, we see a little bit more pressure come into the market, and we see a retracement back towards the 50% retracement level.
And the cattle market, what a nice recovery that we had here coming into more contract highs on Tuesday.
More contract highs, live cattle and feeder cattle, those dips continue to get bought pretty aggressively. We had a volatile start to the week, which I think served as a healthy reminder that the risk is still out there, regardless of the fundamentals. You're only one or two headlines away from, a sharp move lower like we saw to start the week. I'm not saying that that's anything imminent, but again, you've got to be at least cognizant of it.
Okay, thanks for joining us. Oliver Slope with Blue Line Futures. We'll have more ag day coming up.
Watch Markets Now with Michelle Rook on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.